my Angel Snow chunk got taken down. They got terminated. I just made it yesterday. I only put like 4 videos on there, and they say it is inappropriate. You know, it's like I try to make a channel. If I put Snow channel, no videos on my channel, it never happened. It happened to it. This is weird. While we get taken down, I just had a. I'm gonna have to do it a different way. I'm gonna have to figure a way to do this. I'm gonna have to disguise the channel so no one know where it is. Nobody know where it is. I'm going to. I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not even gonna mention the name on here because I know people will. Certain people probably watching, and they probably be easy to find. So I ain't gonna name. I ain't gonna name the channel. I'm just gonna it could be any channel. You know, there's millions of channels out there. So, you know, I ain't gonna say what the name gonna be. And it's weird, there's a whole lot of bunch of snoring channels out there, and they're not even get taken down. Why mine seems inappropriate? It don't make no sense at all. It just, you know, I tried. You can say I tried. It had like 4 subscribers already. And I made it yesterday. See, like I said, Angel Bell's mom is doing this. That's who's doing it. Angel Bell's mom. I already know. She tried. She tried to keep my channel down. If I catch her on my channel, blocking her. 100% blocked. Block on site. As soon as I see her name, block. Or suspicious name, block. Blocking her. If I see her on my channel, she's blocked. But you can say I tried. I really did try. I'm sorry about that. You know, I tried to get a channel up for able to let Snow videos, but it didn't work out. But I'll make another one. I'm gonna say what it's gonna be. You know, it'll be between me and the channel. I ain't gonna tell you what the name is. See, I gave her the name. I thought what she got me at. But I'm not gonna say his name. What his name gonna be. There's millions and millions of Snow channels, so how will you be able to find it? How you will be able to find it? Only I know y'all be able to find it. Y'all know all my words and stuff that I use. So y'all be able to find it. The ones who know me the best will be able to find it. They'll know how my combination of words I would use. So, you know. But like I always say, you can't keep my channel down. I always come back up. So, you try, but we'll come back up with another channel. Another snoring channel. I ain't gonna say what it's gonna be. Or what his name's gonna be. Yes. I just got work. I can still work. Just a little tired. I'll get my son up. Go back home and finish working. Because they still need me. I feel bad that the son got to take down. And haven't acted in one day yet. Maybe yesterday, like yesterday night or afternoon or something. So now if this time you get children sit down, I know it's not your mom, it's something else. But I think her mom did that. She did her mom. I just had that feeling. Deep down feeling.